In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna told Arjuna about the three yogas, methods, to nirvana, salvation, and they are 1. Karma Yoga 2. Jnana Yoga 3. Bhakti Yoga. If one practices any one method out of these, she gets free from the bond with the physical world which is mortal in nature and connects with the Supreme Entity, which is immortal and present everywhere. Srimad Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters containing 700 shlokas. Like and subscribe for more.
Sankhya Yoga verse 01 and 02. Sanjay Uvach. Tan tatha karipayavishtamashrupuर्णा कुलेक्षणम्. Vishidantamidam vakyamuvach Madhusudanah. Sanjay said, seeing Arjuna full of compassion, and very sorrowful, his eyes brimming with tears, Madhusudana, Krishna, spoke the following words. Kutastva kashmalmidam vishme samupasthitam. Anaryajushtmasvargyam kirtikram Arjun. Bhagwan said, my dear Arjuna, how have these impurities come upon you? They are not at all befitting a man who knows the progressive values of life. They do not lead to higher planets, but to infamy. Sankhya Yoga, V03-07, Shri Bhagwanuvach klabya masam gamah parth naitattva yuppadyate. Shudran hridyadorbalya tyaktvottishth parantap. Bhagwan said, O son of Pratha, do not yield to this degrading impotence. It does not become you. Give up such petty weakness of heart and arise, O chastiser of the enemy. Arjun Uvach. Katha bhishmamha sankhye drona cha madhusudan. Ishubhyah pratiyotsyami pujarha vrisudan. Arjuna said, O killer of Madhu, Krishna, how can I counterattack with arrows in battle men like Bhishma and Drona, who are worthy of my worship? Gurun hatva hi mahanubhavan shreyo bhoktum bhakshyam pihloke. Hatvarth kamastu guru nehav bhunjiya bhogan rudhir pradigdhan. It is better to live in this world by begging than to live at the cost of the lives of great souls who are my teachers. Even though they are avaricious, they are nonetheless superiors. If they are killed, our spoils will be tainted with blood. Na chaitadvidmah katarno gariyo yadva jayen yadivano jayuva. Yanev hatva na jijivishamasteva sthitah pramukhe dhartarashtrah. Nor do we know which is better, conquering them or being conquered by them. The relatives of Dhritarashtra, whom if we killed we should not care to live, are now standing before us on this battlefield. Karpanya doshopahata svabhavah prichhami tva dharma sammurchetah. Yachreah syanishchitam bruhi tanme shishyasteha shadhima tva prapannam. Now I am confused about my duty, and have lost all composure because of weakness. In this condition I am asking you to tell me clearly what is best for me. Now I am your disciple, and a soul surrendered unto you. Please instruct me. Sankhya Yoga V08. Nahi prapashyami mamapnudyadhyachokmuchoshnamindriyana. Avapya bhumavaspatram riddhanrajya suranampi chadhipatyam. I can find no means to drive away this grief which is drying up my senses. I will not be able to destroy it even if I win an unrivaled kingdom on the earth with sovereignty like the demigods in heaven. Sankhya Yoga V09-10. Sanjay said, Ev muktva hrishikesham gudakesha parantap. Na yotsya iti govind muktva tushni babhuvha. Having spoken thus, Arjuna, chastiser of enemies, told Krishna, Govinda, I shall not fight, and fell silent. Tamuvach Hrishikesha prahasanniv Bharat. Senyorubhyor madhye vishidantamidam vachah. O descendant of Bharatha, at that time Krishna, smiling, in the midst of both the armies, spoke the following words to the grief-stricken Arjuna. Sankhya Yoga, V11-15. Bhagwan said, Ashochanan vashochastvam pragyavadasht bhashse. Gatasundatasusht nanushocanti panditah. While speaking learned words, you are mourning for what is not worthy of grief. Those who are wise lament neither for the living nor the dead. न त्वेवाह जातु नासन न त्व नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्. Never was there a time when I did not exist, nor you, nor all these kings, nor in the future shall any of us cease to be. देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवन जरा, तथा देहांतर प्राप्तिर्धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति. As the embodied soul continually passes, in this body, from boyhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. The self-realized soul is not bewildered by such a change. मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्ते शीतोष्ण सुख दुहखदा है, आगमापायनो नित्यास्तान स्थितिक्षस्व भारत. O son of Kunti, the non-permanent appearance of happiness and distress, and their disappearance in due course, are like the appearance and disappearance of winter and summer seasons. They arise from sense perception, O scion of Bharatha, and one must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed. यही न व्यथ्यन्त्येते पुरुषण पुरुषर्षभ. समदुःख सुखण धीरं सोमृतत्वाय कल्पते. O best among men, Arjuna, the person who is not disturbed by happiness and distress and is steady in both is certainly eligible for liberation.